Hey, as you can see, I'm about to review. So today, I'm about to be showing y'all how we cook our seafood boil. So,
Sorry if you hear people in the background.
yeah, sorry if you hear people in the background. I don't mind them. But, so basically, right here, we let in our potatoes cook. And then right here, we cleaning the crab or whatever. But,
Who you explain all that to?
so, oh, look at this. It looked like they had surgery on it. So, yeah.
The apartment first thing in the morning, man.
It's not a lot of crab.
So,
One day again.
so y'all, don't. So we got that, and then we had got some more of this, and then one thing we forgot about is our shrimp. So, yeah.
I clean shrimp out.
What's that pop?
Oh, we didn't gotta clean shrimp out, do we?
Okay, so we got our eggs.
Hell no.
We gonna boil some eggs.
Huh?
I told y'all at Food City for the shrimp.
And here. So, yeah.
Put the eggs in there, water.
Okay. Yeah. So, say hey to Leah. Say hey to this quiet. Okay, so yeah, and then we gonna do 2 videos at one time. So when all this is done, we gonna do another video of us setting everything up and eating it because yeah, setting everything up and eating it. So